how to remove sound from a video or mute a particular video. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can remove a voice or a particular sound from a video. So let me show you how you can do that. So for that we can use any available online tool, especially if your video is not of a large size. So in order to do that, let's open any web browser of our choice. I'll be going for Google Chrome. I'll simply open a new tab, and then within this new tab I will simply search for the following, that is remove video sound online and free. Then I'm gonna hit the search button, and now you can see I have got a number of free websites that allow me to do the same. So let us go for this website, that is audioremover.com. So I'll simply click onto this, and from here you can see that it supports file sizes up to 500 megabits. So from here click onto this browse option, or you can also click onto the upload button, and from here you will need to choose the video that you would like. So let me quickly choose a video with an audio, and then I'll show you the same. So let's say I have the sample file right here, so I'll simply choose it, and once the file has been loaded right here you will see the name. So click onto this upload video. Now it says uploading, and now after the uploading has been completed you can simply download it by clicking onto this download file button, and you can download it. And once it will play you can see that this is the original video, but if we'll download it again by clicking onto this download file, you can see that the new file is being downloaded, and if I'll open it you can see, or you might hear, that this video plays without any sound. So that's how easily you can remove the sound from any video. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.